In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Google Slides as an accessible PDF. Start off by heading over to Slide Info. Here we can do some pre-configuration before we start exporting our document. Starting off, we can actually change the title of the exported PDF just by entering it in this text box. We can also change it back by hitting Use Presentation Name. Now let's focus on the Mark Table Headers and Columns section. This section is highly relevant if your document contains any form of a table. Start off by hitting Refresh Tables. This will scan your document and find any tables that are present. You can now hit Locate on each individual table to see where they are in your document. Now our objective here is to mark any rows and columns that may be headers. This is essentially any part of your table that represents a label for the data that's going to be present inside. In my case, the first row and the first column are both headers, so I'm going to mark both. Great. Now that we have our export settings configured, there's only one step left. We need to save a local copy of our slides as a PPTX file because that's what's going to be converted into a PDF. Head over to File, then scroll down to Download. From here, select Microsoft PowerPoint. This will then open a File Explorer menu where you can save this file to your local machine. Now, go back to Download PDF and upload that very file we just saved. Now hit Convert. Once the conversion process is done, hit Download PDF and you will now have an accessible PDF saved to your local machine. And with that, you've learned how to convert your Google Slides to an accessible PDF.